Have you ever wondered how some people manage to save large sums of money quickly while others struggle with their finances for years? What if I told you that reaching financial freedom could be as simple as applying a few strategic hacks? In today's video, we're diving into 18 proven money-saving hacks that will accelerate your journey toward financial independence. Are you ready to unlock these secrets and take control of your financial future? Stick around until the end, because we'll reveal a surprising yet incredibly effective hack that most people overlook. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your saving strategy. 1. Automate your savings. Let's start with automation. How often do you forget to save money after receiving your paycheck? Automatic transfers can ensure you save consistently without effort. Set up a designated percentage of your income to automatically go into savings each time you're paid. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures that your savings grow steadily without being tempted to spend extras. 2. Create a budget and track expenses. Do you know exactly where your money goes each month? Creating a clear budget and diligently tracking your expenses is foundational. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize expenses and monitor your spending habits. Awareness of where your money flows allows you to adjust, cut unnecessary costs, and save more. Are you currently using any apps to track your spending? Share your recommendations in the comments. 3. Embrace the 30-day rule. Are impulsive purchases denting your wallet? The 30-day rule urges you to wait 30 days before making non-essential purchases. This cooling-off period helps determine if you truly need the item or if it's just a fleeting want. More often than not, the urge will pass, and you'll save money by not giving in to impulse buys. 4. Cut subscription services. Have you reviewed your subscriptions lately? Most of us sign up for multiple services and forget about them, incurring small monthly charges that add up. Evaluate which services you genuinely use and cancel those that don't provide value. This small step can redirect funds toward your savings goals. Coming up, discover a budgeting technique that optimizes even small savings. Stay tuned. 5. Buy in bulk and save. Do you take advantage of bulk buying? Purchasing everyday staples in larger quantities typically reduces the per-unit cost. For items that won't spoil, buy in bulk to save considerably over time. Store these goods well to extend their shelf life and enjoy continued savings. 6. Use coupons and cashback apps. Are you making the most of digital coupons and cashback apps? Many companies offer digital discounts, and numerous apps provide cashback for routine purchases. Whenever you shop, ensure these tools are part of your process. They can collectively lead to significant savings. Try using a new coupon or cashback app for your next purchase and share your experience in the comments. 7. DIY whenever possible. When was the last time you tried DIY? Doing things yourself instead of outsourcing can save a lot. Whether it's home repairs, cooking, or beauty routines, learning to DIY can cut costs dramatically. Use online resources and tutorials to guide your projects. 8. Cancel unnecessary monthly memberships. Are gym memberships, club affiliations, or other monthly fees going unused? Review all ongoing memberships and cancel those that don't add value to your lifestyle. Even small savings accumulate quickly toward financial goals. What's one membership or service you've canceled to save money? Let us know with a comment. Did you know that a simple change in your grocery shopping routine can save hundreds each year? Keep watching to learn how to optimize this common expense and bolster your savings. 9. Meal plan and cook at home. How often do you eat out each week? Restaurant meals add up quickly. Instead, embrace meal planning and cooking at home. It reduces costs significantly while allowing for healthier eating choices. Batch cooking ensures meals are ready during a busy week, making it easier to avoid takeout temptations. 10. Negotiate bills and rates. Have you tried negotiating your bills lately? Many don't realize that service providers often have flexibility in pricing. Contact them to explore better rates or plans. Sometimes, simply asking can result in significant savings. 11. Declutter and sell unused items. Do you have clutter taking up space in your home? Consider selling unused or unwanted items. Online marketplaces make it easy to list and sell goods, turning excess stuff into extra cash. This decluttering process not only provides financial benefits but also creates a more organized living space. Up next, I'll share a method to maximize the resale value of your goods. Don't miss this. 12. Practice minimalistic living. Have you considered minimalism as a lifestyle? Embrace living with only what's necessary, which often means spending less on unnecessary items. Adopt a mindset of quality over quantity, investing in items that truly enhance your life over time. 13. Use public transportation. Do you drive everywhere by default? Consider using public transportation as a more affordable alternative to driving. Owning and maintaining a car incurs many costs, while buses or trains significantly cut these expenses. Try using public transport for a week and track the savings. Share your results and impressions below. 14. Take advantage of free entertainment. How much do you spend on entertainment each month? Public events, free concerts, and community gatherings offer enjoyable experiences without costly tickets. Leverage these opportunities for leisure while saving money. 15. Focus on energy efficiency. Are your utility bills higher than you'd like? Improve home efficiency by using LED bulbs, installing energy-efficient appliances, and properly insulating your home. These changes reduce energy consumption, saving money while benefiting the environment. What's one energy-saving tip you found effective? Share with the community. 16. Avoid bank fees. Do you often pay high bank fees for simple transactions? Look for banks offering free checking or lower monthly fees. Also, monitor your accounts regularly to avoid overdrafts and use ATMs within your bank's network to dodge unnecessary charges. 17. Invest in high-yield savings accounts. Is your idle cash working for you? High-yield savings accounts offer better interest rates compared to traditional accounts, allowing your money to grow over time. It's a smart way to passively increase your savings while still having access if needed. Soon, I'll discuss a surprising investment strategy beneficial for quick savings growth. Stay with us for this important insight. 18. Bonus hack. Automate bill payments. As promised, here's a crucial yet often ignored hack. Automate your bill payments. Set up automatic payments to ensure timely payments, avoiding late fees and penalties. It simplifies budgeting and can positively impact credit scores. Achieving financial freedom. By implementing these 18 money-saving hacks, you'll take significant steps towards financial freedom. From automating savings and cutting subscriptions to living minimally and enhancing your home's energy efficiency, every action contributes notably to your financial goals. Which savings hack are you eager to try first? Share your thoughts and inspire others on their financial journey. If you found these hacks helpful and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on practical advice for achieving financial freedom. Hit the notification bell to receive updates on upcoming money-saving strategies and tips. Reflect on a money-saving success you've achieved and share it with us in the comments. Your experience might empower others to start their path to financial independence. Thank you for embarking on this transformative journey with us. Until next time, keep focused, save strategically, and watch your financial dreams become reality.